Hi everyone, today we're going to be making buttermilk batter onion rings. You're going to slice 3 yellow or sweet onions into 1/4 or 1/2 inch wide and then separate them into rings. Make the batter by putting 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour in a bowl and adding 1 1/2 tablespoons of baking powder to it and 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk that together. A cup of buttermilk, 2 whole eggs, whisk together, add the flour mixture a little bit at a time and mix afterwards. In a bowl, put 2 cups of Italian-style breadcrumbs, and I've lined a cookie sheet with a piece of parchment paper. I'm going to use a fork and dip the onion ring in the batter and coat it completely, and then shake off any loose batter on it that's dripping. Drop it into the breadcrumbs and take another fork and just use it to toss the breadcrumbs over the onion ring. And you can flip it and toss more if you need to. Shake off the excess and then place it on the cookie sheet. Now this recipe does make a lot of onion rings. It's more for like making them for a crowd. So if you didn't want to make this many, because I had showed you I am really full of onions right there. You could just divide the recipe in half if you'd like to make half the quantity. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to heat 4 cups of canola oil to 365 degrees Fahrenheit. And I have a cooling rack on the counter with a piece of parchment paper under it so I can put my onion rings on that as they cook. Okay, the oil's where it needs to be. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drop in about 3 at a time. You don't want to overcrowd the pot. And I'm going to do about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. I want them to be golden brown. So there's my buttermilk batter onion rings. Enjoy!